Hey guys, Sandra here with another video, and today I am making a video on how to make a subdomain in your um, in your back office in your Power Lead system. And how you get here is you go to websites, the drop and drag editor, with a custom template and one that uses an opt-in. Well, first of all, there's another way to do it. Let me show you the other way. You can make a subdomain here under websites and then manage subdomains. There's two ways to do it. And you can just make a subdomain here with this would be already here with, if you have more than one subdomain, domain that you paid for, all of those will be here, the drop down. But if you have one, then you're just going to see one. But usually, I guess you could use your main domain for whatever system that you wanted to use it for. But when you want to do different capture pages, or you want to test them, you can always put test here. Test one. If you want to test it, oops, spelled it wrong. You want to test it out, to play around with it, to figure out how it's going to look. So you just put test one, and then with whatever your domain is, and then create it, right? And then it's going to show up down here. But usually, when you have the subdomain, you're going to, and when it shows up down here, you're going to assign it to whatever page that you wanted it to, or lead capture page you wanted it to go to, right? So you would click create, and it's going to show up down here, right? So I'll just click create so you can see. Then it's going to ask you, click here to use an existing web page from our live. So this is when you would attach it to whatever domain you wanted to attach it to. Okay, for instance, if you click this, it's going to go to the existing web pages. So the sales funnels that you have here, you're not going to have these are different ones, but the ones that so if you wanted to have it to connect with, become a prospect for whatever you want, which is maybe you have another business that you wanted to connect it to, you can click this one here. But if you wanted it to just go to for them to become a free lead system forever, then you would click this one, and it would go to a new page, and it would show you these capture pages, and you would just click whichever one here. For example, this one, I usually use name and email, so I would click this one, and then you see the test one that we did is automatically there, and you would click save my choice. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, but that's what you would do. And then the second way you would do it is when you're making a completely new page that you want to create. You would go to websites, drag and drop editor, create a web page with a custom template, or a template that you want to use, and that uses an opt-in form survey. And then you have a few templates here that you can choose from, that you can use. You can go in there and look around and see what you like. I always like this one for some reason, and I always use, like I say, the email, and I like to use the name and email. So I would choose this one, or if you want to view it to see how it looks, you can click view, and this is going to show you what it's going to look like. All right, and then I would choose this one, and you can change this to whatever you want, But here is where you can actually select as you're creating this template for wherever you want to direct it to. Let's say you have another business, you want to direct it to your other business. You can make another subdomain right here. So you would, where it says I want to use a new address with my existing domain, you just click here and put whatever you want. I'm just going to say test one, but you're going to put whatever you want. Oops. And when you go down to the bottom here, you put save changes to web page, and then you continue on, because on the next page you can change the landing page however you want. If you wanted to change all of this, you could, or you can just keep it that like this. When you click this, it'll go into the words and the picture. You can change all of that if you want to, or you can leave it the same. But I just wanted for this video to show you how you can create a subdomain easily. Okay, so that's it for this video for today, and I'll see you on the next video. And thank you. Remember, you must hustle, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.